Hello everyone, you are welcome to Get Inspired with Ella Suitable. Yes, my name is Ella Suitable and I'm lady with a smile. Thank you guys for coming around, my fellow content creator. Thank you so much. You guys are wonderful. It is not easy. Those who have subscribed, mega shout out to you guys. For newcomers, you are welcome to this wonderful family. Subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Without wasting your time, guys, we want to talk about how you can bring back those lovely moments, those romance alive. Okay, guys, yes, how you can bring back those romance alive. Okay, you know what? Bringing a baby home is one of the wonderful moments, one of the joyful moments, one of the exciting moments. Okay, but the truth is that life dramatically changed after having a child. Life change totally. Is not going to be the way it used to be, or like when both of you are together, you have this 100% privacy. There is nobody disturbing you, there's no baby crying, there's no changing of pamper, there's no making of food and all that. You are less stressful. Okay, but now you have kids, maybe 1 2 3 4, it depends how many you have. As for me, I'm a mother of 2. Yes, guys, so how can you bring back this romance alive? Okay, most of you watching me, your romance is wasking cold and you don't know what to do. You don't know what to do in that relationship right now. That is why I am here to help. Okay, number one is communication. Always communicate with your partner, discuss, share your problem with your partner. Tell your problem to your partner. Tell your partner, this is what I used to like you do before, but now I'm not seeing it anymore. Talk to your partner about it. Share your problem with him or her. Okay, guys. Secondly, appreciate your partner. Appreciation goes a long way. When you appreciate your partner, you are bringing the best out of your partner. Okay, so always appreciate your partner is very necessary, guys. Don't neglect that. For example, you can appreciate your partner by buying him or her gifts. For example, as a man, you cannot sit at home just watching the television. Your wife is doing all the housework. Men, please always help your women so that they will be less stressful, and whenever you ask them for sex, you have it anytime, any day, anyhow you want it. Okay, you need to help her out. Okay, because when she's stressed out, she will respond the way you want it. Okay, she will not give it to you the way you want it. Okay, she will not give you the time and the attention you need. So you need to help your woman out with her choice when you are at home. Please, it's very necessary. Please, women, try to understand. Okay, try to understand your husband, and please reduce this no answer. Okay, this no answer always bring problem and it makes this man to be frustrated. Please, for those of you men that are always there for your wife, helping her out, God bless you so much. I'm grateful for God for you. Okay, and another thing is for you to do is to schedule your sex. Okay, schedule your sex time. Remember your sex life. Please build your sex life. Okay, build your sex life. For example, your partner is the type that maybe throughout the week he or she is not at home, is not around. Okay, he's coming for weekend. You can tell him this weekend is for you and I, nobody, no interference. We are going to get it down, like get it really down. Okay, guys, yes. So you can tell your partner, for this weekend is fire, Oh my god, yes. When you schedule your sex time, your partner is already aware, okay, that it is this Friday, or it is this Sunday, or it is this Monday. He or she will have it in his or her mind and will be prepared for you. Okay, guys, so when you get that day, you have your phone, like you have your mega phone together, and it's going to be a wonderful experience for both of you because you've already planned for this day. Okay, another thing both of you can do is to talk about those lovely moments that both of you used to be together. Okay, talk about how you met. Like I, for example, I can't stop asking my husband. In fact, in a month, I know how many times I ask my husband, why do you get married to me? Okay, why do you choose me? Why do you marry me? What do you like in me? I like asking those questions, and my husband knows I like asking those. Even when he tells me today, I want to hear it in a million times. We women, we like things like that, okay? I don't know what work for you, so you know what work for you, do it, okay? You can talk about those wonderful memories, those best memory you people had together, okay? Those moments that you were looking for her number, you were asking everybody, those moments that you were spying him, those moments that you love him, those moments you love her, those moments that you were, in fact, she was your dream girl, those moments that she was your dream girl, those moments that he was your heart desire, okay? Talk about those moments, okay? Another thing you should do, you should go out for dates. You can go out on a date, okay, guys? Couples go out on a date. It's very good for you to bring back those romance alive. I want you to take a break. Yes, take a break from this mom and dad thing. It's not really easy, okay? Take a break. You can send your children to your mom's side, to your sister's side. You can even while they have gone for school, okay? Take a break and have fun. I mean, you can play games together, you can do funny things together, you can do things together, what things that both of you used to do then you were still couple, like single couple, a man and a woman, okay? You can play games together, you can read together, you can talk story together, you can have a happy moment together. That advice also goes to women, okay? I see some women, wherever you see them, they're always with their children. Women pay most attention to their children. There are some women that they sleep with their children instead of sleep with their husband. They have their own room that they sleep with their children, okay? I don't think, okay, I don't know what you think, but I don't think it's good for a woman to always be spending time with the children. Whenever you see her with the children. You don't see her with the husband having this one-on-one conversation, okay? I don't know about you, but to me it's not good, okay? Because I see that these kids, one day they will grow up and they will get married, they will leave the house. It will still remain you and that your partner, okay? Just the way both of you were together before these kids start coming in, okay, guys? So these are many more ways you can bring back those wonderful memories together, okay? Remember communication, remember spending time with each other, remember paying attention, remember appreciating, remember buying gifts, remember having fun, remember your sex life. Please build your sex life, okay? Build your sex life. What I'm trying to say is that both of you should come together as one and work this together. I cannot come to your home to work this well for you, okay? You cannot come to my home to work this out for me, okay, guys? So work this out for yourself. If your home is wonderful, it will be wonderful for two of you. If my home is sweet, it will be sweet for me. So let us do it right. Let us do it that you know what your woman like. Do it for her. You know what your man like. Make sure, just do your best, okay? Just do your best. Nobody's perfect. Just do your best to make sure that your woman gets the best, your man gets the best, okay? And at last, you both will be smiling. Remember to share this video to others. Thank you for watching.